Good afternoon, guys. It's Diamond from the Oppenheimer Ranch Project on Friday, May
4th.
2018. We're here at the Pissed Off Hive, where Don got stung in the head and Leah got stung in the head, and now she has a flow hive veil on. So I'm going to use copious amounts of smoke. It's slightly windy here. We're going to go in here quick and check. Hopefully, if I might bail. So we're going to quickly go in here and check on the queen. This is an interesting scene here. I've got to get the right top on here. It's condensation building up, which is a bad thing in a hive. So I need to put a wood top on here, which I've ordered and is inside, and I'll just come bring it down and put it on later. So I've introduced some smoke into the feeder, which is on top of this, and they've drawn some comb up into the feeder. It's an interesting sight to see here. Got this burr comb that they're moving up in here, which means that it's filled with some honey. So we're going to save this and eat it later because it's awesome. Let me put this in the safe place real quick. Now I'm going to take off this feeder here. And we don't have any more smoke.
Uh-oh.
Now we're just going to do a quick inspection here and look for this queen. So she's probably not on this honey frame. We'll keep that out. And then we'll just go frame by frame. So these bees are storing honey, and that's just drawing comb on the one side. Oh, this frame weighs a ton.
Whoa.
So this is just all drawn honey. And so now we have some activity here. There is new larva in this, which means someone's laying babies.
Wonderful.
The elusive queen.
Hmm.
Next frame. So this is the queen cage. She's out. We haven't checked. So she's in here. I bet you she's on the frame the cage was on.
Hmm.
Come on, Queenie. So this hive is very full with bees, and it is ready for another super.
Queen does not want to be found.
Yeah. This next frame is pollen and fresh larvae. No sign of the queen. Okay, but there's sign of babies, so that's all we really need. And these bees are getting pissed. So I'm going to put this last frame of honey back in. Guys, here's a tip. Always center your frames, 8 frame, 10 frame, it doesn't matter. They always got to come back to the center with the same gap on each side or your hive will go awry. So that being said, follow me over here real quick. I'm going to put a honey super on this one. Notice it's shallower. And I'm going to put a queen excluder as well. We just started using queen excluders this year. And it's just easier to keep babies out of your honey. So I'm going to put this on here to try to build this hive up this year. It's going to take a while for them to draw these combs out. They're blank. And being a new bee farm, we need lots of drawn combs, so we need to start working on this to spread our apiary. So we're going to get the bees making some natural beeswax on this. And I'll come back and look for the queen in another week or so in both hives. It's okay if you don't find the queen. In fact, it happens a lot. Not easy to find. She could have been covered by lots of bees and they're protecting her. If a queen leaves a cage, from what I've read, I don't think she'll make it back. So it's very important to be careful when you're handling or locating your queen. Guys, I hope you got something out of the video. The hives are growing, we're building wax, and nobody got stung.
Holla.
Subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and be safe.